Here's app TurnSignl. It's growing in charts. As you can see, it's in the top charts in lifestyle. And yeah, it's been featured in media over and over. Um, so yeah, what this app is about. So basically, it provides a very fast way to reach out an attorney in case you are in some kind of situation where you need that, and you can do it via video call. So, for example, if you're in an accident or like something like that, and you just been pulled over, you can instantly call attorney just from this app. So you don't need to write, some email. So just find like how should I find a lawyer or something, or any situations. So basically, if you're in the situation where you instantly need someone, and you don't have real time to do your research and for hours like ask friends what is a good lawyer or something, but you just at least you need at least some advice, but very quickly. So you can use this app. So let's just open it up. So to create an account, it's super easy. Just enter your email and passwords. You can do it and then just confirm with your email, and that's it. It takes like 30 seconds, and then you're in the app. You just need to give permissions for your camera, your microphone, and know your location. And this is basically the home screen of the app where you can call your attorney. So for example, you can just tap, I'm going to pull over. Okay, and then you can also do like an AirPlay. So, or you can just tap, I've had an accident, and then you can try to reach out to attorney here. But anyways, probably because I'm just doing a demo of this app, there are some bugs, or maybe because I'm located in Europe right now. So probably because of that, because I think this app at the moment, it only works in US, but here is just the logic. Yeah, so you just have your profile. So you just, okay, let's try it out again. You can say a profile. By the way, here also you can delete your profile if you think it's, you don't need that. Okay, so probably it's just because your geolocation should be in the specific state. And yeah, by the way, you can't use this app if you are traveling. So it's only if you are located physically with your phone in United States, you can use this app. Then you can also invite other people by tapping interpret. And then even without that, there are some like quick FAQs, so you can know your rights in the specific states, or you can log in and know some of your rights there. Do's and don'ts, so you can do some basic rights. You can read some articles and things you should be aware of. So yeah, there you have it. You can edit your profile, invite friend. You can also see your call log. So if you did already some calls, you can see them here. Seeing there is a limitation, of course, of how many minutes you can speak with your attorneys, and they will be selected randomly, I think. And then you will, of course, need to upgrade. So that's basically that. That's the app. That's how it should work. So definitely give it a try if you're in this kind of situations. It says TurnSignl is the fastest growing legal guidance app for drivers. When you are pulled over by law enforcement or in an auto accident, TurnSignl provides on-demand guidance from an attorney over video call. TurnSignl has you covered 24/7 legal guidance, industry-leading video connection, automatically records the full interaction using your phone's camera. Recording of encounter immediately saves to your personal cloud. Full recording remains available to download for up to 30 days. And it was featured in a lot of media. And yeah, it's not available in Europe, but it's also available in specific states. You can always reach out to info@turnsignl.com for any support or all of that. Average rating is pretty high. However, there are just 39 ratings. So yeah, at the moment California is not available as well. So maybe we can just select other state. Just for the sake of this demo. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I think it's a nice idea, but the app is quickly rolling out, and it's still not there yet, but there are a lot of updates and development. So definitely give it a try. It should work in your state. And thank you for watching.